These are my mountains. Powerful, ancient, mysterious, dangerous, intimidating, yet comforting. All around them are echoes of some of the fondest memories of my life. From an early age, my parents introduced me to these mountains, and from the very first moment I set foot on their slopes, we became connected, intrinsically linked. The Lake District became a part of me. I've grown up in these mountains. It's a spiritual place. The lakes, the valleys, the summits, all scattered with precious memories. Cycling adventures, nights spent under canvas, youth hostels, hiking, cherished family time, a lot of laughter, and even more beers supped in cosy firelit pubs. My mountains are an escape, a sanctuary, a place of quiet reflection amongst some of the most dramatic scenery I have ever seen. Ten years ago, I became a dad, and I felt compelled to share my mountains. I realised I was the custodian of this magical place, and that now it was my turn to make some introductions, to pass on my love of these mountains to my own children, to give them the gift my own parents gave to me. To experience this place with my own family has enriched and deepened my connection more than I ever thought possible. One day, I hope my girls will share their love, their memories of the Lake District with their own children. One day, I won't be here to take in the majesty of these mountains. Though I have been nothing more than a fleeting visitor, I will have shared them with people I love. The things we've done here may one day be forgotten, but they happened. They are part of the fabric of time, and time is something that never ends. These aren't my mountains. These are our mountains.